very good morning to all my dear students. Welcome to St. Joseph's Academy's online classes. Today, I, your maths teacher Parul, will teach you a new concept of your book Maths Class 1. Our today's topic is money, which is given on page number 69-70. In this topic, we will learn what is money, how it is useful to us, how we use it, and where we use it. So let's start our today's class. We will learn what is money. Money is an object that is generally accepted as payment for goods and services. Goods and services means for some things which we need in our daily life. In other words, money is anything which is used to buy our necessary things. And what are those necessary things? The food, clothes, toys, house, furniture, everything we buy with the help of the money only. Money is also used to get services from experts like gardener, doctor, barber. When we go to meet the doctor, he charges the fee, na? How does we pay it? In amount, in money, in currency. Gardener, who is gardener? Who cleans the garden, who water the plants, who cut them. So, that is the gardener, or barber who cuts our hair. So, anyone whose service we need, how do we get that? In return of money. We used to pay them money in accordance to their services they provide us. We pay them according to works. This is the sign of Indian currency. This is called rupees and this is taken from Hindi Devanagari. Every country's currency is different and a particular sign represents that country's currency. For example, this is India's currency. In US, it's dollar. In African currency, rand. In Dubai, it's, what is the currency of Dubai? It's dinar. So, in the same way, this is the symbol of Indian currency. See carefully. What do you see? This is a coin of 50 paisa. This 50 paisa coin which was used till 90s, but now at this time it is not available in the market and it does not work anywhere, which means nobody takes it and you cannot get in return of this 50 paisa. So this 50 paisa used to be used in 90s. Now this is not in use. Now these are some of the Indian coins, Indian currency coins. What is the first coin? It's a 50 paisa coin. Then a 1 rupee coin. After 1 comes a 2 rupee coin. After 2, a 5 rupee coin. And after 5 comes a 10 rupee coin. These are the main coins which are found nowadays or which we use in the market for buying things nowadays. Now these are the notes which are found in the market of India and these are called Indian currency. What are the notes normally found? The first and smallest note is 5 rupee. After that is a 10 rupee note. The third one is a 20 rupee note and the fourth one is a 50 rupee note. Down the first note is of 100 rupees. This is slightly purplish in color. The second one is 200 rupees note, which is yellowish in color. And then The bigger than 200 rupees is 500 rupees note. And the last one is 2000 rupees note, which is slightly purple in color. This is the biggest note printed till the date in Indian currency. 2000 rupees is the biggest currency. Now we will learn how to count the money. Money is found in two types. As I have shown you, some are notes and some are coins. Suppose here we have to add money. We are having a 1 rupee coin and a 2 rupee coin, and we will add these. So when we add 1 plus 2, it becomes 3. So a 2 rupee coin and a 1 rupee coin makes 3 rupees together. Now we are having a 5 rupee coin and a 2 rupee coin. Now if we add up both the coins, how much money we will have? 5 plus 2 means 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. So 5 and 2 rupee coin together makes 7 rupees. This R is the sign of rupee. Now the next number is, we have a 10 rupee coin and a 5 rupee coin. We have to add these and find out how much amount it will make. So when we add 10 plus 5, it becomes 15 rupees. So 10 and 5 rupees coin together make 15 rupees. We get 15 rupees. Now we will learn how to buy things in return of the money, or how to see the price tag. Read the price tag and draw the coins. Here we can see a car. This car cost 10 rupees. It is written there na, in the top, 10 rupees. Now we can give 10 rupees in the form of different coins. We can give either 10 coins of 1 rupee each, or we can give a single coin of 10 rupee, or we can give 2 coins of 5 rupees, or we can give 5 coins of 2 rupees each. 5 coins of 2 rupees each also we can give here. Now this is time for exercise, which is given on page number 71. Question to fill in. The first one is 100 paisa. How do we get 100 paisa? 100 paisa we get with 50 paisa plus 50 paisa is equal to 100 paisa. B. 1 rupee is equal to 50 paisa plus 50 paisa, which means 250 paisa coins make 1 rupee. Now C. 4 rupees is equal to 2 rupees plus 2 rupees. D. 10 rupees is equal to 5 rupees plus 5 rupees. E. 60 rupees is equal to 50 rupees plus 10 rupees. F. 21 rupees is equal to 20 rupees plus 1 rupee. G. 52 rupees is equal to 50 rupees plus 2 rupees. In this exercise, we have to do the matching. Some coins are given and some notes are given in different formats or in different forms. We have to make the amount and we have to match it accordingly. Here the first is a 1 rupee coin. Now we have to find the equal amount. We are having 250 paisa coins. 250 paisa is equal to 1 rupee. So we will match it with it. The second is a 2 rupee coin. In the opposite, we are having 2 coins of 1 rupee each. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So we will match B with A. Now C place we are having a 5 rupee coin. And in opposite we are having 3 coins. 2 rupee coin, 2 rupee coin and 1 rupee coin. So 2 plus 2, 4 plus 1, 5. So we will match 10 rupee with these two 5 rupee coins. Now comes the last one is a 50 rupee note. 2 coins, so to make 50 each, here we have only one option where 5
Then
coins
comes a
of 10 rupee
note.
each.
On
We
B
can
place,
see
we are having
on D
2
place.
coins of 5
So we will
rupees
match
each.
50 rupee with these 5 coins of 10 rupee each. Now let us revise and learn exercise work given on page number 70. This is our first exercise, which is fill in. 50 paisa plus 50 paisa is equal to 100 paisa. 50 paisa plus 50 paisa is equal to 1 rupee. How many paisa we have in 1 rupee? 100 paisa. D. C. 1 rupee plus 1 rupee is equal to 2 rupees. 1 rupee plus 2 rupee is equal to 3 rupees. 2 rupees plus 2 rupees is equal to 4 rupees. 2 rupees plus 5 rupees is equal to 7 rupees. 5 rupees plus 5 rupees is equal to 10 rupees. So, we make new amount by adding different coins. Now, this is time for homework. You have to complete all these exercises in your maths book very neatly. Thank you for watching the video. We will meet again with the next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye-bye.